Hello everyone. My name is Anuj Kumar and I am from Bihar, Darbhanga. I completed my graduation in BCom, and after that I was searching job in IT sector. So one of my friends told me about the Evision. So go for Evision without losing time. So I joined Evision Technoserve, and Evision is a IT recruitment and consulting company. Here I joined full day internship program, and where I learned uh, Windows administration, CCNA, networking, Windows Server, uh, ITIL. Then I got placed in Taltech Technology Private Limited as a desktop support engineer, and package is 2.52 LPA. So I really wants to thank eVision team who helped me a lot, and I suggest those who wants to work in IT sector, so go for evision without losing time. Thank you, evision team.